This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the top view, this is the right side view, and this is the front side view. Okay, so let's start drawing. So in a sketch, I will start drawing from the top plane. In the top plane, I will draw a rectangle. Okay, and this rectangle has a dimension of 50 by 90 unit. Then I will extrude it to 50 unit. So after that, I will draw an offset, then offset of then I'll draw a fillet here, and this fillet has a dimension of 30 radius. Okay, let's go back to our sketch and do this. So first of all, I'm selecting the top plane here. Now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that, select the center rectangle from here and draw a center rectangle of, okay, so drawing a center rectangle of 90 by 50 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss it to 50 unit. So extrude bossing it to 50 unit, and now from the mid plane, now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now it's time for the filleting. So I'm going to select the fillet option from here, and from here I will going to select fillet of here from this surface. Okay, now we have a radius cut. So for that I am selecting the right plane here. Now sketch, now normal to it. So after that I am going to select a center line from here and draw a center line of 30 radius. So drawing a center line of 30 radius, and from that I will select a circle and draw a circle. Okay, this circle has been drawn. Now I am selecting this inner rectangular face. Now converting it is, now select the trim option and trim all the necessary line that we don't need. Okay, now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch, we can see that in the top face we have a rectangular cut here, and for drawing this rectangular cut, first of all I'll draw a center line from here, and this center line has a dimension of 90 minus 15 unit. Then I will offset two line, one is here and another is here, and this two line has a dimension of total 30 units, so the half dimension will be 30 divided by 2, so 15 unit. So let's go back to our sketch and draw this. So I'm selecting the top plane here. Now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that select the center line here and place the center line at here and draw a center line of 90 minus 15 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude, and normal to it. Now go to sketch, now offset increase, select this line and we will offset it to 30 divided by 2 unit, so it will be 15 unit. Now bidirectional cap int line, now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, now extrude cut it through all both. So extrude cutting into through all both. Now press OK. So our extrude cut portion has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. Let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch we can see that we have an incline cut here, and for drawing that incline cut I will draw an incline line and dimension it from this point to this point is 26 unit. Then from this line to here it has an angle of 110 units. Then let's to cut this portion, and this to cut portion has a dimension of, as you can see, the total dimension is 42 unit. So 50 minus 42 is 8 unit. So this half dimension will be 8 divided by 2, so 4 unit. Okay, so let's go back to our sketch. So selecting this face, now sketch, now normal to it. After that select the line and draw an incline line, and after drawing that incline line select the smart dimension tools from here, and from this point to this point there is a dimension of 26 unit. Now press OK. After that, this line to this horizontal line, the angle is 110 unit. Okay, now press OK. Now select this face, now convert unities and trim the unnecessary line that we don't need. We don't need this portion because we will trim this portion, we will extrude cut this portion. So press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, now extrude cut it to now select the blind tool from here and now dimension it to 50 minus 42 divided by 2, so it will be 4 unit. Now press OK. So our this extrude cut portion has been done. Now select the right plane here and after that select the mirror entities and from the features to mirror we want to mirror our these features. Now press OK. So our feature has been mirrored. Now again let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch we can see that we have some circular cut and there are one is circular cut here and this circular cut has a dimension of radius 5 unit and diameter 5 unit and it has a distance of 25 unit by 17.5 unit. Then again we have another circle here and this circle has a dimension of 22 diameter and it has a distance of 65 unit. And in the if we talk about in the front plane front face, we have a big circular cut. Actually this is the back face, okay, this side back face. So but if we see about in the front plane, this circle has a dimension of 35 unit and it has a extrude cut of 2 unit. Then we have another inner circle and this inner circle extrude cut has a dimension of 20 unit. Okay, let's go back to our sketch and complete our sketch. So first of all I am selecting this face. Now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. Now select the circle and draw a circle of 5 diameter. Now select the smart dimension tool from here and from this point to this horizontal line the distance is 17.5 unit and from this circle to this vertical line the distance is 25 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, now extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. So our this extrude cut portion has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. Now again select the front, select the right plane. Okay, now sketch, now normal to it. After that select a circle and draw a circle of 22 diameter. Okay, now select the smart dimension tool and from this circle to this horizontal line vertical line the distance is 65 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, now extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. So our this extrude cut portion has been done also. Now select this front face, now normal to it, sketch it. Now select the circle and place the circle here and draw a circle of 35 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, now extrude cut it to 2 unit. So extrude cutting it to 2 units. So select the blind tool from here and dimension it to 2 unit. Now press OK. Again select this face, inner face, now sketch, now normal to it. Now select again a circle and draw a circle of 20 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, now extrude cut it to, you can pull this arrow. Now press OK. So this portion has been also done. Now isometric it for a better view. If we look back to our sketch, we have a fillet of 1.5 unit here. So we will do the fillet. So I am selecting the fillet option from here and dimension it to 1.5 unit. Now rotate your sketch and select this inner portion and select this portion also. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. So as you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching and keep learning. Be different.